Welcome back. Now let's check in with HGTV's Sebastian and see what he's up to.
My home needs a lot of work. Where should I start?
Your home needs a lot of work. Where to start? So basically, you want to look at what is it that you really want done in your home? What's your big ticket items? What's your smaller ticket items? And then how much money do you have to work with? Because that's really going to be the deciding factor in what direction we go in. Do you want to do things in the bathroom or the living room? Maybe the bedroom's more of a big ticket item for you. For a lot of people, it would be the kitchen. That's really are the big main factors that we're going to have to look at to focus the efforts on what we're going to do in your home.
Is it a good idea to renovate an older home?
It's not always practical to renovate an older home, no. Older homes can present a lot of challenges that newer homes don't. There's a lot of things like old aluminum wiring or basically just old framing, things that need to be updated to code if you're going to be opening up walls. There's a lot of asbestos in older homes that needs to be remediated properly. So it really depends on what it is that you want to do in the older home and how old the home is, because if it's built before a certain time period, then you're going to have a lot more issues than a newer home.
What advice do you have for a family beginning a major renovation?
Okay, so the best advice for a family about to go on a major renovation is to listen to each other. And basically, you need to understand how stressful a renovation is going to be. If you're a big family and you're going to be living in a renovation zone, you need to know that it's not going to be like your regular home. You're going to probably have to have your shoes on all the time. Things are going to be dirty. Things are going to be cramped. You need to have communication and basically an open mind, because you're going to be on top of each other, and it can be really, really stressful. So Nikki and I, we can't stress it enough with families and relationships, how basically important it is to communicate throughout a renovation, because, you know, renovations are relationship breakers.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.